Hi everyone, I just wanted to record a quick video and say that I am super excited about school starting next week. I know a lot of us have a little bit of apprehension, but we're going to try our best to keep everyone safe and keep this class going for as long as we can. And also this way you can kind of see my face because I'm in the bottom corner over there because I know we're all going to be masked up. But just to let you know that we plan on starting Monday at 12:40. As I mentioned in the announcement, our book is The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. That will be the first one that we are going to be studying. If you could get a copy of that as soon as possible. I do have like an extra copy or two, so if you have trouble getting it, I will be happy to let you borrow one. But do try to have it by at least Wednesday. There is going to be, if you look at the syllabus, which I'm going to pull up right here, you can get a copy and it will download. Pull that up. According to your syllabus, down here, Fault in Our Stars chapters 1 through 4, so not a lot. But if you haven't read it, it'll be perfectly fine. So if you haven't gotten it by Wednesday, it'll be quite all right. We will catch you up. But you will probably need to read it by the time the reflection is due on Friday. So just on Monday, we're going to go over the syllabus, just a few little things, nitpicky things for the course. I mostly use D2L just basically for turning in assignments. And because we are in a season of COVID, I will be doing a little bit more with it than I normally do in my literature courses, namely after each class section. In this news feed right here, I'll either post a video summary or just type some notes, maybe even make a little presentation of what we covered in class that day. So if you did have to miss for whatever reason, that way you won't fall behind. So that's where I will do that. I also, every week in the checklist, I don't like the content as much because I think it can kind of get overwhelming. The checklist is just a little bit neater in my mind. So each week, and this will populate as the class progresses, each week I'll just kind of put a preview of what's to expect that week, what chapters we're going to read. There are some supplemental things that we'll be reading that aren't necessarily listed in the syllabus, but I will post them here in the checklist as we go along. And I'll also put this checklist in the notes or the news feed every week. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. As I posted right here, my office hours are going to be Monday, Wednesday, 10 to 12:30. If I'm not in there, because I'm also going to be eating lunch during that time, and I might step out for like 5 minutes to go get my lunch out of the fridge, just know that I'm in Peck Hall. I'm somewhere in the building. So if I'm not sitting at my desk, if you stop by, I'll be there within 5 minutes, more than likely. So feel free to stop by anytime if you just want to chat, if you have any concerns, need any help on any of the assignments that we're going to do. My door is open and I love helping students. So feel free to stop by. 345 is on the red hallway in Peck Hall. That's my email. Great way to get a hold of me too. I check my email multiple times a day. That is my personal number. That's because I'm a dual enrollment instructor. So actually this is the only class I have on campus this semester. The rest of my classes are at Siegel High School here in Murfreesboro. And so because of that, I'm not in my office every day. Like I'm only on campus on Mondays and Wednesdays. But just know if you need any help, I'm more than happy to make a trip on campus to help you in any way that I can. I teach early morning classes at Siegel, so my mid-mornings to early afternoons are actually very free. So I'll be happy to meet with you if 10 to 12 on Monday, Wednesday doesn't work for you. But you can send me a text. Just be nice. Don't text me or call me at 11 o'clock at night. You can text me. Just don't call me at 11 o'clock at night. And just let me know who you are. If you're sending me a text message, go, hey, this is Sarah, from your 1020 or your 2020 class. That way I can keep up because I don't have all your phone numbers memorized. But yes, anytime, reach out. That's what I am here to help you do your best in this class. And if you need help, that's the best way to contact me. You can also use the D2L messaging system. I will be honest, I don't check that one as often as I do my MT mail or text messages, but I do check it frequently. So if you want to use the lovely little mail icon up here and shoot me a message through D2L, I'll be happy to respond to you that way as well. So I'm looking forward to meeting all of you Monday, and just let me know if you need anything.